Hello students, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question in GATE 2021 asked for 2 marks, and this is a numerical answer type question, and this question is based on two subjects. One is database management system and another one is a probability. And moreover, most of the questions asked in GATE 2021 are multi-subject questions. This is one of the beautiful question, which is the combination of database management system and probability. Now coming to the question, a relation R of A comma B in a relational database has 1200 tuples. The attribute A has integer values ranging from 6 to 20. A values are ranging from 6 to 20. It means there are totally 15 values are there in column A. And the attribute B has integer values ranging from 1 to 20. The values of B are ranging from 1 to 20. It means there are totally 20 values are distributed in column B. Assume that attributes A and B are independently distributed. The estimated number of tuples in the output of this relational algebra expression is. Here the relational algebra expression given is sigma A greater than 10 or B equal to 18. It means it is going to select those tuples whose A values are greater than 10 or B equals to 18. It means we need to find the probability of selecting those tuples whose A values are greater than 10. Now selecting the tuples of A column which is greater than 10 is equals to the number of favorable cases by total cases. The favorable cases for column A which is greater than 10 among the values of A which is ranging from 6 to 20 are 10 values. That is, from 11 to 20 there are totally 10 values are favorable for the condition A greater than 10. Among the total cases 15. It means the probability of A greater than 10 which is equals to 10 by 15. Similarly, we need to find the probability of B equal to 18. So among the values of B from 1 to 20, B equal to 18, there is only one favorable case out of 20 values, means out of 20. So it means the probability of B equal to 18 is 1 by 20. Now we need to find the probability of A greater than 10 and B equal to 18, which is equals to probability of A greater than 10 into probability of B equal to 18. Why? Because the probability of A greater than 10 and B equal to 18 both are the independent events. Because these are the independent events, the probability of A greater than 10 and B equal to 18 is equals to probability of A greater than 10 into probability of B equal to 18. The probability of A greater than 10, which is equals to 10 by 15, and the probability of B equal to 18, which is equals to 1 by 20, which is equals to 1 by 30. Now we need to find the probability of A greater than 10 or B equal to 18. Now it is a case of probability of A or B. Probability of A or B equals to probability of A greater than 10 plus probability of B equal to 18 minus probability of A greater than 10 and B equal to 18. It is based on A union B formula. What is the formula of A union B or X union Y? X union Y formula, which is equals to probability of X plus probability of Y minus probability of X intersection Y. Here intersection we call as AND, union we call R. In our relational algebra expression, the conditions are given is A greater than 10 or B equal to 18. That is, we need to find. Now the probability of A greater than 10, which is equals to 10 by 15, plus probability of B equal to 18, which is 1 by 20, probability of A greater than 10 and B equal to 18, which is equals to 1 by 30. When you solve this equation, so denominator is 60 and numerator is 15, 4 is 60, 4 into 10 40 plus 20, 3 is 60, 3 into 1 3 minus 30, 2 is 60 and 2 into 1 2. When you solve it, 40 plus 3 43 minus 2 41 by 60 is the probability of A greater than 10 or B equal to 18. Finally, we need to calculate the estimated number of tuples. The estimated number of tuples are calculated based on the probability of A greater than 10 or B equal to 18, that is 41 by 60 into the total number of tuples, that is 1200 tuples. When you solve this equation, this is going to become 620 120. Now 41 into 20, this is equals to 820. So 820 will be the answer for this question. It means the estimated number of tuples in the output of A greater than 10 or B equal to 18 of R, which is equals to 820. Hope you are enjoying my videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.